My phone died. Maybe I can go practice gymnastics because I do have a gymnastics competition in a few weeks. Good. Woohoo! Oh, there was the doorbell. Let me go see what it was. Huh, nobody's here. That's weird. Maybe I'll just go inside. That was fun. Now this. Even though it's not a gymnastics one, I'll still do it for fun. That was fun. Wait. Oh, why do I keep hearing a doorbell? Maybe I should go check. That's weird. There's still nobody here. Ugh. This looks like a magic wand. There's a note. It says, whoever holds this magic wand will be granted one wish. Wow! What should I use it on? Maybe I should try to find Maddie and see what she thinks. Ah, she's not here. I thought she would be in here filming. Maybe I should just make my wish. Abracadabra, bippity boppity boo. Make my wish come true. I wish for a mini squishy thing. OMG! My wish came true! Hey guys, it's Riley. Welcome back to the PartyKids channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm showing you dun 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 dun, my new mini squishy vending machine. Okay guys, so I brought our original one out and we're gonna see if it still works. Let's twist it. Oh, we got one. This one's kind of squishy. Let's put it back in our little slot. It's secret, don't tell anybody. And then look at this one. Look at this size. This one is so smaller and this one's so bigger. Okay guys, this one is so cool because it can hold all my mini squishies in it. So we added this pink sparkly, it kind of looks like a mermaid scales kind of paper. And guys, we added this unicorn sticker. And we also have this rainbow that says dream on and it has a little smiley face. So some of you asked on our last squishy video, you guys asked, how do you get the squishies in the little vending machine? So we have this secret spot that we put it in. Don't tell anybody, it's our secret, okay? Yeah. Okay guys, so just like the other one, we twist the knob and the squishy comes out and we have a little ramp. Let's try it. Looks like we got a little mushroom. It's blue, which I love blue if you guys didn't know. Oh, it's very squishy. Just look at that, guys. It's kind of slow rising. And guys, is it bouncy? Because sometimes they're bouncy. It smells good, not bad like mushrooms. All right, let's spin again. Oh, this mushroom, let's put it right there. Okay. Oh, it's kind of blue. So guys, and it has like a little keychain. Okay, let's squish it. Kind of slow rising. Let's try to do where the paw marks are. Oh, that's nice, I like that. Okay guys, and now it's time to smell it. It smells like soggy doggies. Okay guys, we're gonna try it one more round and see if we get lucky. Oh, we got a little peanut, he's so cute. And we got this little popsicle. let's do the squishing test. This one, it's so small, I'm gonna poke it. Now I'm gonna squish it. It's not that squishy, but let's see if it's bouncy. Kind of bouncy. Now onto this little peanut. We all know it's so squishy. And it's definitely pokey and kind of bouncy. Now time to do the smelling test. It doesn't smell like a popsicle. It smells like candy. And now I got this peanut. It smells like real peanuts. Get your peanuts here, everybody. Oh, you want a peanut? Here you go. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed our mini squishy vending machine. I did. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, bye!
Oh, cool. What's this? It says I can make a wish. What should I wish for? I wish for a pumpkin slime vending machine.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow.